Thought I'd make a quick Redbubble tutorial video of how I upload my designs really quickly across all the different kind of artworks you can put your designs on. So here is the Redbubble dashboard, and what I actually use to upload files and create the designs is Graphic Designer. So here's actually just the previous artwork that I did and uploaded some designs, but let's just say I want to create a new design. So let's just come up with something like this. So pretty simple. And this is kind of my theme that I like to do on Redbubble, some kind of like personal development, cool quotes and sayings. So let's just like this. So if I've already got here, because I've created other designs, this is like a template. I know that the size of this will fit on every design that I've currently got it ready for. So here, let's just make it a little bit more impactful, put it in bold, and let's do something like this. Cool. So I'm happy with that design. This is just a simple example of a design of how I can upload it heaps. So I'll just go through the process here of saving it. Cool, so now that that's saved, I can head over to my dashboard on Redbubble and upload a new work. So here, instead of what takes a long time is actually fitting one design onto all the different designs and the right shape and the size of everything else, like the t-shirts and then mugs. But because I've done that once already, this next step is very easy. So what I can actually do is just copy an existing work that I've already done. And like I was showing before, this challenge your life when I've done. So what you go here, you can copy the settings for this one. Then all you can do here, because you can see here that the product previews already has the designs when it loads. There we go. When it already has the designs in the right spot, I like them for different things. So some things might require a little bit of changing, but oh, this is a new mouse pads and desk mats. That's cool. So here, what we actually want to do is just replace all images. And so once I find that image that I created, overcome all obstacles, uploading that. And because it's roughly the same size, because I used it in Graphic Designer, this is how, now once it is done, this will pretty much be the right shape for most things. And so just something like here, quick little edit here, just scale it down. There we go, so it fits on the page, apply changes, and pretty much everything else, unless I notice something that's completely wrong, I can change that. So that looks pretty good for everything. And then save work. Cool, so that's my design uploaded, and now people can buy it from my Redbubble page. So if I just go to my portfolio, it's now available for people to buy, and here we go, overcome all obstacles. So that's actually how I went on to create, as part of my 30-day Redbubble challenge, 150 designs on here that people can now buy. And if we go to my dashboard, you can see here that since I started that 30-day challenge in February, and then people started doing their first couple of buys in March, I've made just some nice little sales across the time. So hopefully that helped and gave you a little bit of idea about my process. I'm happy to answer any questions in the comment section below, but hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.